Hello everyone. Yesterday I was not able to show the demo. So what I'll do is I'll define four different examples in four different videos. And first example I will show with the dynamic subject line rendering using SSJS in the email. So and after that I'll in other videos I'll show another demo one by one. I was not satisfied yesterday because I was not able to log into Marketing Cloud. So I'll conduct small demos and upload to the same session, and you all can have a reference and start working with those examples. So let's start here. I'm going to create an email, HTML email, okay, and I'll say this is just example one, and for the subject line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it dynamically. So I'm going to use it as content and use subject line as an MScript variable. Okay. So before rendering the email, let me add a code not to show the addresses and whatever required attributes that is required for an HTML. I'm going to do here. So this is the required field. Okay. So the required attribute is the physical address. And you have the profile center, and I'll always get a pop-up for tracking those email opens. So whatever is required, I'm hiding that from the preview. And let's start with the SSJS. So write an SSJS. First, we'll start with the starting script tag. Run head. Server. And language, which is not mandatory, but I have a habit of killing all these things. Script. So the closing tag is added. Now the second statement is to add the library. So platform for library and with the version 1. Okay. This will give you the latest one. You don't have to give all the versions. And so first is the subject line. So let's create a variable called subject line. And let's give dynamic subject line. So first, let me assign a value thing, which is says implement session 1 demo 1. And to make it dynamic, what I'm going to do is assign an MScript variable. So I'm converting a JavaScript variable to MScript variable. So I'm going to do variable, let's set value. And give was this subject line and the rate subject line and assign the JavaScript variable. Let's see if the subject line gets printed as SSJS enablement session 1 demo 1. Let's do the preview. Yeah. Now, what we can also do is use some personalization string, print some personalization string into a email content. So what I'm going to do is to print a subscriber key. First two, we have platform dot receive client dot get attribute value and with the personalization string that you want, that is the subscriber key. And we want to print, so we can have right subscriber key equals and concatenate with the subscriber key. Remember, this is the case sensitive language, so we have to keep it case sensitive. AMP is not case sensitive. So let's see if it prints the subscriber key or not. Okay, so it prints the subscriber key and it gets printed here. Let's try to add some other personalization string. So let me copy this line. Let's print the email name. And this email name. Okay, so it's coming in the same line. Let's break this line. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one more concatenation. Break the page. It's coming the same next line, that is email name is. Okay, let's beautify this script more. So I have, let's see, right. Let's see. This. Okay, let's break one more line and one more break. So let's have few more personalization strings here. See what is in the sendable data extension. we have the form. Let's go to the form. The first name and the last name. So let's fill the form. Okay, next one. I haven't added this. Yeah, this flick every line statement. So you can add any personal string that you want. Okay, you can go to this site and let's say today txt. So I want to add txt to my personal string txt. txt. It's txt. It's so this case sensitive txt. Okay. Mm. So today is 4th of June. So it's giving today is 4. It doesn't make sense, right? So instead of txt, say let's take month. Okay, I'm just going to change this. And this is month. This month. Okay, month is June. So any person string, you can add it using get attribute value, similar to attribute value in AMP script. And we want to make this content dynamic, right? So what we'll do is, okay, we're keeping this subject line. Let's take the subject line at the end. And let's get the first name. Subscriber. Let me put my charger first. Okay. So we want to make the subject line dynamic. So what we are going to do is, let's first print the first name as well. So we have written in single text and so let me get the attribute name, first name. Okay. So first name, oops, not this one. First name, first name. I always use camel notation. First name. First name is, let's see if it gets printed or not. Mm. Okay. Now let's, based on the first name, let's let's do the dynamic person subject line. So we'll give if first name equals to C. Okay. Then say subject line. Yes. Yes. C. So C. And I'll say yes. Else. Say yeah. So it's not Sasi, it's Ramu. So I'll say other one, what is Viru. Yeah, good name. So Viru. Then I'll say it's Miss this. Okay. And it is Ramu. It will be good morning. So this is Bunatius Viru. Okay. Let's go and check the other one. Yeah. So this is good morning. So dynamically, we created the subject line. And that's it. I'll create another session, another demo with creating the data extension, retrieving the data extension. So we'll do different demo sessions and upload this to the YouTube channel. Thank you.